In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link WordPress gallery images to any page or URL. Whether you're building a portfolio, creating an engaging blog post, or simply enhancing your website's interactivity, linking gallery images is a great way to guide your audience to additional content. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll have a fully functional linked image that seamlessly connects to the page or URL of your choice. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage by typing in www.wordpress.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it to begin accessing your account. Now, for a quicker and more streamlined login process, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This lets you use your existing Google account credentials to authenticate your WordPress login. It's a simple way to save time and avoid having to remember yet another password. Once you click this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the one you'd like to use with WordPress. After that, WordPress will authenticate your credentials. This might take just a moment, so be patient while the system redirects you to your dashboard. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. It's usually located toward the center of the page for easy access. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on that to open the site editor. Now that you're in the site editor, you'll see your website's layout and design components. This is where all the magic happens. To begin editing, click on your website within the interface. This action will take you into interactive editing mode, where you can make direct changes to your site's content and design. Next, locate the gallery image you want to link. If you're working with a gallery, scroll through the images to find the specific one you'd like to update. Once you've found it, click on the image. This will open its settings panel, where you can adjust various properties related to the image. In the toolbar that appears above the image, look for an icon that resembles a small chain link. This is the linking tool, and it's what we'll use to create the connection. Click on this icon to reveal the linking options. From the list of options provided, select Link to Image File. This choice is key because it generates a direct URL associated with the image file itself, making it easier to use a link elsewhere on your site. Once the URL has been generated, copy it. You can do this by highlighting the URL and using the Ctrl+C shortcut on Windows or Command+C on Mac. With the URL copied, you're ready to insert it wherever you'd like. Now, navigate to the page or post where you want the image to serve as a clickable link. Paste the copied URL into the appropriate field, ensuring that you've placed it where it will function as the intended link. After pasting, don't forget to save your changes. This step ensures that the linked image becomes active and functional on your site. And that's it. You've successfully linked a WordPress gallery image to a page or URL of your choice. This simple process can help you create a more dynamic and user-friendly website that keeps your visitors engaged. If you're new to WordPress, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. So now you know exactly how to link gallery images in WordPress to enhance your site's functionality. If you have any questions or need help with a specific step, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.